and welcome back to Baby Eatz. Today we are making a cheesy garlic Parmesan chicken pasta bake. Baby, let me tell you, this was a delicious dish. If you seen my short, I had a lot of people that was commenting that they would like the full recipe. So here is the video to that short if you have seen it. Now for our ingredients, we have some cooked pasta, we have chicken, we made our own Parmesan sauce, we have mozzarella cheese, we have grated Parmesan cheese, you need some water from your pasta, we have salt, pepper, and we use fresh parsley for our garnish. Now the first thing we're going to do, we are going to season up our chicken. It's not a specific way that you have to season it up, but I used some adobe. Then we went in with some 14 spices, salt-free. Then we used a little bit of Greek seasoning, and we just going to mix it up and make sure that our chicken is coated. Now, after we season up our chicken, we are going to pan fry our chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken, or if you have some chicken that you cooked the night before and you want to get rid of, you can also use this in this dish. So here I'm just going to pan fry to where we have a little bit of crust on it. We are going to cut it up into small pieces. And then once we are done frying our chicken, so we are going to make our garlic Parmesan sauce. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to melt some butter in our large pan where we fried our chicken at. Once our butter has melted, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic. We're just going to cook our garlic until it is fragrant. Next, we're going to add some Italian seasoning. We're going to add a couple pinches of pepper and salt, and we're going to cook and stir frequently for about 1 minute. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the flour to the pan. We're going to whisk until our flour is well combined. And we're going to cook. We're going to stir frequently for 1 minute. You want to turn your heat on low, and we're going to slowly pour in our broth. We're going to whisk as we are pouring our broth in. We're going to mix it until it is combined. We're going to bring to a gently simmer over medium heat, and we're going to gently simmer it over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes until it has thickened. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to add in our heavy cream. We're going to whisk that in until it is well combined. Here we're adding in our Parmesan cheese, and we're going to whisk our cheese in until it has melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. We're going to cook over low heat. We're going to stir frequently until it reaches your desire of consistency. So we're going to put our Parmesan sauce to the side. Now we're going to begin to put our cheesy garlic Parmesan chicken pasta bake together. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You want to use any baking pan that you choose to use. I'm going to use the same pan that I cooked everything in, and I'm just going to add everything into that. Okay, so now we're adding our pasta into our pan. Here we are adding our cooked cut up chicken, and here we are combining our garlic Parmesan sauce into our pasta. And we're just going to mix that in and make sure that our sauce is covering our pasta and our chicken. Now we're adding in some mozzarella cheese, and we're going to mix that in. And here we're adding in the rest of our mozzarella cheese, and we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. We're going to put that on the top. Now we're adding some Italian seasoning to the top. We're going to bake it at 375 degrees, anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese has melted and bubbly. For a golden top, you want to broil for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to watch closely to prevent it from burning. Here's our cheesy garlic Parmesan chicken pasta baked out of the oven. And look how delicious this is. It was nice, it was creamy, and it was cheesy. Today, we made a cheesy garlic Parmesan chicken pasta bake. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.